Right on, Ashford Street, head northbound.
Hey, adrenaline junkies. Welcome to Mind Rush, where adrenaline meets pure excitement. Get ready to dive into heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most thrilling moments caught on camera. You're in the right place if you're looking for the ultimate rush. Let's get your heart racing. A trooper executed a pit maneuver in a daring attempt to halt the high-speed chase, but it faltered due to the Kia's slow speed, merely denting its bumper.
That's 10-4, approaching the intersection of TTK, 72nd Avenue.
The chase intensified, with the trooper and his backup weaving through dense traffic, staying hot on the heels of the elusive suspect. The high-stakes chase reached a dramatic climax when the suspect, in a desperate swerve to escape, clipped a curb and spiraled out of control. Seizing the moment, the trooper deftly pinned the Kia against a fence with a decisive pit maneuver. The cornered suspect bolted from the wreck but was quickly subdued by the pursuing officers. Pursuit ended with the young fugitive in custody, sentenced to 5 years for grand theft auto, fleeing from law enforcement, and assaulting an officer. Received a dispatch alert about a stolen Ford F-150 truck. Spotting the vehicle shortly thereafter, the trooper attempted a traffic stop. However, the driver blatantly refused to comply, instead accelerating away, sparking the onset of a perilous chase.
Got all the information I have sent to you at 1037 South 971. Complexes here in Greenland. I've got Greenland and CID.
Through a residential neighborhood, blatantly ignoring stop signs and jeopardizing the safety of pedestrians and other motorists. The reckless behavior heightened the urgency for the trooper to bring a swift end to the pursuit.
That's 71.
Once the driver re-entered the highway, the trooper saw an opportunity to safely end the pursuit and initiated a pit maneuver. The execution was precise, causing the truck to flip over. Miraculously, it landed back on its tires, but the impact resulted in the loss of its tires and the deployment of the airbags, significantly diminishing the truck's operability. With the truck immobilized, law enforcement officers, with their weapons drawn, cautiously approached the disabled vehicle. They successfully took both the driver and a passenger into custody without further incident. This decisive action brought an end to the chase, averting what could have escalated into an even more dangerous situation. The driver is slammed with charges of vehicle theft, felony fleeing, and reckless driving, a trifecta of crimes fueled by a high-octane attempt to outrun the law.
Put handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two? Handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two?
What is happening?
Alerted to a stolen Nissan. The vehicle was quickly located by officers, sparking an urgent response as the driver blatantly ignored attempts to pull over, choosing instead to flee at high speeds. The pursuit escalated rapidly as the suspect pushed the stolen Nissan to its limits, tearing through residential neighborhoods and blatantly disregarding stop signs, endangering countless lives. Police units
Northbound.
The Nissan approached a bridge. Officers adeptly performed a pit maneuver. The impact was severe. The vehicle struck the bridge railings and flipped, landing upside.
I'm out with the vehicle, 6:30, under the Woodrow overpass. Started 10:16.
We are 671 pounds.
Hey, can you see that car that side?
Hey, come out!
Driver! Come out! Can you see anything over there? With me, Tyler. I'm gonna break it. All right.
The scene that followed was one of swift precision as multiple police units, including a K-9 team, converged on the wreck. The suspect was extracted from the overturned Nissan, which had its airbags deployed, likely sparing the driver from more severe injuries. He was taken into custody with only minor injuries reported, ending a potentially deadly pursuit.
Show me your hand. Put your hand out right now.
Open blade, watch out.
Hey, you better put your hands out of the airbag right now. Show me your hands. Do not move. Do not move. Hey, we're going to hands out the driver's side. Out the driver's side.
I'm sorry.
Hey, what's going on?
The 51-year-old suspect was charged with multiple offenses following an incident on June 24, 2024. The charges include theft. July 12, 2023. Two Teslas thought it was the perfect day for a street race. Clocking over 90 miles per hour, they sped straight toward an Arkansas State Troopers cruiser, splitting around it. One on the right, one on the left. The right Tesla took an exit and disappeared, but the left Tesla wasn't so lucky. With its high-powered engine, the Tesla initially pulled away. It took the officer 90 seconds to catch up, which felt like forever in a high-speed chase. But a fellow officer The officer finally got the perfect opportunity. With its back tire gone and no grip left, the Tesla spun out, ending the chase safely. Turns out, the driver had paid his cousin $500 to rent the Tesla for a birthday trip to Dallas. Instead, he'll be spending his birthday behind bars, charged with reckless driving, aggravated assault, and unauthorized use of a vehicle. Just goes to show why they don't rent cars to people under 25. They tend to do reckless things like this.
All right, mate.